Okay, we are almost 4 weeks old. And we've got Pikachu's puppies are the solid color puppies, and Lucy's puppies are the party colored puppies, which are 2 colors. Starting to play. It's starting to sound like raccoons. Just getting their sea legs. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Puppy, puppy, puppies. Okay, so I am quite sure that this girl moving around, this solid puppy moving around is the little girl. She's actually bigger than the boy. So she's on the right, the sable. She's a little brighter in color than the little boy. What are you doing? Yeah. Starting to play. This is the little girl. And they really like their box. After they nurse, they go right in there. That's their little spot. You know, girl. What about you? Huh? Hi. And there's the sable boy and the party boy. Nope. You might be saying it's nap time already. Puppy, puppy, puppies! Puppies! Hi. Oh, this is a big puppy here. Yeah. So pretty. They're all cracking the 20-ounce mark right now at about 4 weeks of age. Little boy. Just like a little kitty. This is the puppy that's likely wolf sable. And sometimes they can go backwards better than they can go forwards. Hear that they sound like little raccoons? Hi. Hi. Do I taste good? Huh? Do I taste good? Huh? You getting beat up in there, huh? Come on out. There. Now I'll try it. Are we going to bed already? Huh? We ate and now we're going to bed? Flurry of activity is very short. Naps are very long. Well, just have one puppy left out here. Just one puppy. Everybody else went to bed. Yeah, they did. They just went to bed. The teeth are not coming through yet, but it should be probably any time this week. Eyes, of course, opened at about 10 days to 2 weeks of age, but they won't fully see, you know, get their full sight until they're 7 weeks old. Okay, you're coming up. All right, come on in. Come on. Okay. How's that? How's that? Puppy puppies! Puppies! Puppy puppies! Puppies! Somebody's blocking the door. Nobody can get out. I can hear them. Puppy puppies! Yeah, everybody wants to come out. Come on, getting pushed. Puppies! Come on, pups! Puppies! Puppies! That sounds like a raccoon. Let's see what's going on in the box. Little tail wagging there. Oh, there we are. Can I see you? Huh? Yeah. So that's the little girl. She's a little brighter than the little boy. I have to see them next to each other, otherwise it's kind of hard to tell. Little wag your tail. There you go. Hello, girl. You do like to use your paws, don't you? Yes, you do. Little boy. Yeah. And the barker is Bianca. She's kind of jealous that she's not out here playing with the puppies. Or maybe that I am playing with the puppies she's jealous about. Like I said, they can go backwards better than they can go forwards. Hi, little boy. Did I say that right? Yeah, that is the little boy. This is the little girl. She's actually bigger than her brother. Okay. Little boy. No, sorry, little girl. Little girl. What do you think, little girl? Yeah, you're a good little girl. How's your belly? How's your belly? How's your belly? Okay, there you go. Couple puppies snug as bug is in there. We'll close this up. And it's bedtime.